Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets both in capital letters and small letters. Okay? So to write these alphabets we'll take 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Red color, yellow color, green color, blue color, orange color. Okay? So let's start. So first I'll take blue color to write the first line. Okay. A, capital letter A for apple. A, small letter A for apple. B, capital letter B for ball. B, small letter B for ball. C, capital letter C for cat. Small letter C for cat. Capital letter D for dog. Small letter D for dog. Capital letter E for elephant. Small letter E for elephant. Next I'll take orange color. F, capital letter F for fish. F for fish. Small letter F for fish. Capital letter G for gate. Small letter G for gate. Capital letter H for house. Small letter H for house. Capital letter I for ice cream. Small letter I for ice cream. Capital letter J for jug. Small letter J for jug. Capital letter K for kite. Small letter K for kite. Next I'll take yellow color. Capital letter L for lion. Small letter L for lion. Capital letter M for monkey. Small letter M for monkey. Capital letter N for nurse. Small letter N for nurse. Capital letter O for orange. Small letter O for orange. Capital letter P for peacock. Small letter P for peacock. Next I'll take red color. Capital letter Q for queen. Small letter Q for queen. Capital letter R for rabbit. Small letter R for rabbit. Capital letter S for sun. Small letter S for sun. Capital letter T for tiger. Small letter T for tiger. Capital letter U for umbrella. Small letter U for umbrella. And lastly I'll take green color. Capital letter V for vegetables. Small letter V for vegetables. Capital letter W for watermelon. Small letter W for watermelon. Capital letter X for xylophone. Small letter X for xylophone. Capital letter Y for yacht. Small letter Y for yacht. Capital letter Z for zebra. Small letter Z for zebra. So hence we have completed our alphabets both in capital letters and small letters. I hope you have learned something from this video kids, and if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.